as you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing video with the one and only the Crayon Case products. Now, you guys know recently it was Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday, and I was finally able to afford some stuff and participate on a Cyber Monday. So I went ahead and got a couple of things from the Crayon Case, and I wanted to show you guys what all I got. So if you are interested in seeing what I purchased from the Crayon Case, then keep watching. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know that I kind of cheated and already opened the box. So this is not an actual real unboxing, but it's cool. We're gonna act like it is, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I did get a lot of stuff, okay? I had to mark out my address because y'all don't need to see where I live. But it came in this box. If you are familiar with the Crayon Case box, once you open up the box, it has the Crayon Case logo right in the center. And here are all my goodies. Now, this is not the first time I have purchased from the Crayon Case. Most of you guys know that. I have a couple products that I have purchased with them in the past, but I'm trying to get more of them slowly. It's kind of hard out here. Hard out here for a pill. When you trying to get this money for the real. When you need to spend your money on things that are more important. But it was Cyber Monday, and I decided, hey, I can afford it. I need to go ahead and get it. So before I show you guys the products that I got, everything pretty much had totaled up to be $225, okay? Even. On Cyber Monday, I think the sale was like 60% off. So for all the stuff that I got in this box, I only paid like $84. So listen, if you like the Crayon Case, when it comes to Cyber Monday, for sure, next year, y'all need to make sure y'all hop on it. Any sales that they have, what it's like 50% off, 60% off the whole entire site, all that stuff, you guys really need to take advantage of that, okay? You need to take advantage. You need to put your stuff in your backpack. Make sure you're logged in. Put your stuff in your backpack. And as soon as that sale starts, you need to check out and make sure you get everything that you got. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into these products. Now, first, I'm going to show you guys the Crayon Case, a loose leaf of makeup wipes. There's 25 sheets in here. And I've been hearing some good things about these makeup wipes, and I had to get them. Every time I was ordering something real small, I tried to get them, but they was always sold out. That's how much people been raving about these makeup wipes. So I definitely can't wait to test these out and see for myself how these makeup wipes work. So next I'm gonna get into the lip products. This product, they are discontinuing. This is the Tokyo dipping sauces. So this is the lip glosses, and as you guys can see, there's 4 in them. And then I have some lippies, of course. I finally got my hands on the Clean Kisses lip gloss, because that one was always gone as well. So the Clean Kisses lip gloss. Then I have a couple of the liquid lipstick. So I got another Marie, which is their nude shade. I absolutely love this, and I think I'm running low in it, so I needed to get this for sure. I got Bear, which I used the other night. It's kind of like a brown shade. Then I got Gumbo, Murder Matte, Graveyard, and Raven. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on my hand so you guys can see, if you are not familiar with their liquid lipsticks and how they look. I'm gonna swatch them on my hand so you guys can see them on my skin. So here's how the liquid lipsticks look. Then here is Clean Kisses lip gloss. Now they do have other colors with their liquid lipstick, but some of them were, well, no, they had one of them, the crawfish one, was sold out, which I really want. But I really wanted some dark colors. I needed some more dark colors, so this is why I got these. And then I'm not gonna swatch the dipping sauces, but this is how they look in their lip gloss. But the packaging is real cute. But again, they are discontinuing these. Once they sold out with Cyber Monday, that was it. So I'm happy that I got my hands on them. All right, so next I finally got their eyebrow pomade. I got it in dark brown, so hopefully it's not too dark and hopefully it's not too light. It might work. So that's their eyebrow pomade. Next, I got their eyeliner. I already had their white out shake and draw eyeliner, which is white eyeliner. I really didn't use it that much, but for some reason it kind of like seems like it was like dried out or something. I don't know. I can't take it out, so I'm not gonna take it out. And then I got their Limey Liquid eyeliner, which is their black eyeliner. So I got that. Next, which is also discontinued, is the Tokyoana Chopsticks eyeliner pencil. I believe there's 7 in here. Yeah, there's 7 in here. So these are eyeliners. So definitely will be using these like in the spring and summertime. Next, I finally got their Contourization notebook. I think I said that right. So this is basically their contour palette. So this is how it looks. Next, which they discontinued, is their Ross Sauce eyeshadow palette. I had kind of used this the other night briefly. I had put a little bit of this in my tear duct. I really needed to get my hands on this because it definitely has the shades that I like to use. Next, I got the Watch Me blush palette. I'm gonna be using this soon to create a holiday Christmas look because I want to do a cranberry look. So here's their Watch Me blush palette. And then last but not least, I finally got my hands on the OG, the box of crayons eyeshadow palette. This is supposed to be discontinued as well, I think come January 1st. So I'm gonna try to get another one to put in my kit for my future clients. Hopefully I can get another one. This one's mine. So their box of crayons. So that is all the products that I got from the Crayon Case from Cyber Monday, because y'all know my goal is to become a future crayon cutie. I definitely need to get some more products in general, aside from wanting to be a part of the team, but I definitely wanted to get some more products because I really do like the brand. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below if you have any Crayon Case products, and let me know which products that you have that is your favorite and all that good stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share the video as well. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Since I got some new palettes from the Crayon Case, I will be doing some looks using the palettes very, 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 very soon. So you guys keep a lookout on that. But that is it for this video. I will see you in my next one.